Most people get frustrated when Freecash stops crediting their rewards. They complete offers, play games, or finish surveys, and then nothing shows up. And the first assumption is usually that the app is broken. But that is not always the case. Here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, Freecash not crediting is caused by tracking issues, incorrect setup, or offer requirements not being fully completed, not the platform itself. In this video, you'll learn exactly why Freecash stops crediting in 2026, how to fix it step by step, and how to make sure your rewards actually track properly moving forward. Let's start with the most common issue: tracking delays. Freecash relies on partner networks to verify your activity. So when Jake from Texas installs a game and completes a level, it may take minutes or even hours for the reward to appear. Many users panic too early and think they lost their earnings. But here's the problem. If you switch apps, use a VPN, or leave the offer page before installation finishes, tracking can break completely. This is where most users lose their rewards without realizing it. Now here's where it gets interesting. The way you install and launch offers matters more than the actual task. You must open the offer directly from Freecash, install immediately, and complete the steps without interruption. Even opening another browser tab during setup can sometimes interfere with tracking. Another major issue is account mismatch. If you installed a game on one device but later try to complete verification on another, Freecash may not credit the reward. Everything must stay on the same device and same account. Now let's talk about surveys. Surveys are even more sensitive. If you rush answers or give inconsistent responses, the system may flag your completion as invalid. John from California might finish a survey in 2 minutes, but if the expected time is 10 minutes, it may not credit. But here is a simple fix that most users ignore. Always check the offer details carefully before starting. Look at required steps, device restrictions, and estimated completion time. Following instructions exactly increases your success rate dramatically. Another important fix is clearing cache or disabling ad blockers. These can silently block tracking links without you noticing. Once disabled, many users see missing rewards suddenly appear later. So here is a quick recap. Freecash not crediting usually comes down to tracking errors, incomplete offer steps, or device interference, not the platform being broken. If your reward still does not appear after 24 to 48 hours, the final step is submitting a support ticket with proof like screenshots. Most valid completions get resolved that way. So, here is the bottom line. Freecash works, but only if you follow the process correctly from start to finish without interruptions. If this helped you fix your issue, like the video, comment what happened with your account, and subscribe for more